guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dipali Arya, and today I'm going to tell you about some affordable makeup products which are very great and efficient for beginners like us. So I'm myself a beginner, and this makeup look I've created using those products only.
For time's sake.
We'll start with the base. So for base, I used, primer ki jagah pe I used this. If you can see, Patanjali aloe vera gel. You all must be knowing that aloe vera gel can be used as a primer. So मैंने यही use किया because I don't do makeup that often, so I don't really need a high-end primer, and primers are really expensive, guys, and the cheap ones are really not good. So you can use this. It will definitely give you a smooth surface to do art on, okay, because makeup is an art, come on. Then comes foundation, and for me, my favorite all-time favorite foundation is this Lakme's Invisible Finish, guys. It also has SPF of 8, which is amazing. It is 260 rupees, which is, the quantity is really great, especially because teenagers ho ya fir aap college mein ho abhi, so you won't need to do makeup that often, I guess. So for those people who don't do makeup that often and you just require makeup products for, like some parties and all of that, so you can definitely go for it. And then comes compact to set this up, and I can't say enough about it because come on, आप में से कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसने ये Maybelline का न्यूयॉर्क फाउंडेशन यूज ना किया हो, super fresh one, and I really love it, and it's so inexpensive, guys. I again don't know its price. Okay, let me check. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, this I'll just I'm so sorry, मैं prepared ही नहीं हूँ इस वीडियो के लिए, so I'll just put its all the products prices here. So I have this, Mars is such an affordable and amazing brand itself. So I have this Mars all-rounder contour palette. It has concealer, contour, and correctors, and it's like a complete palette with different types of, like, all-in-one palette, you can say, with a brush as well, which I don't really use, and I won't recommend using this brush because it does nothing. And let me tell you very clearly that all of these products which I'm introducing here are cheap, so you shouldn't be expecting a lot from these because come on, they are affordable, and they are decent at this price. So it was for 320 rupees and I got it at discount, so I don't remember how much discount I got, but this is for 320 rupees, which is amazing because it has so many correctors, concealers, like all sort of shades, bronzers and everything. So all-in-one palette. Then comes the eyeshadow palette. I'm so sorry, everything is just messed up because I did my makeup and then oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is Glam 21 palette, 51 color eyeshadow, which is amazing, guys. Look at this, if you actually can see anything because the sunlight is a lot. So this is my favorite palette ever, but yeah, again, because oh my god, light is gone, AC is off, now I'm gonna sweat and my makeup is going to like fade away, so jaldi karte hain ye video. It's not that what you say, I don't know, मैं word bhul gayi, whatsoever. It's not that tinted or whatsoever, so you need to build the color up, but I did this with this palette itself. This was for 450, which I got for 350, I remember, yeah, 100 rupees discount. So for 51 color eyeshadow palette, oh my god, what did I just do? It is amazing, and it comes with 2 brushes as well. I'm so sorry I'm messing this video up, but please ignore that. So this is amazing. This also has a shade which can be used as a highlighter, which I've used in my eyes today, but I forgot to put it on my nose, so sorry. But the highlighter eyeshadow or whatsoever shade it is, it's amazing, guys. I love that, and I would prefer it over every highlighter because that really suits my skin and everything. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow palette. Then I have a blush palette as well. You don't really need a blush palette, to be very honest, but because you're going to purchase makeup, like it'll last you long, so you need to have all sorts of I'm so sorry, please ignore the background noise. You should have all sorts of options. So I've got this Mars blush palette for you. It was for 300 rupees and it is amazing. It has got 5 or 6 shades. It's got 6 shades like Love Hangover, Baby Love, I Will Always Love You, if you can see it, if it's visible. So this is amazing, comes with a mirror obviously. So for eyeliner, you should always go for Lakme Insta eyeliner, which is for 100 something. I don't remember the exact price. I'll definitely give it here somewhere. But this is amazing, people, because it literally dries out very quickly and it will last you for a long time. So yeah, this does not even need to be introduced because you know it already. Okay. For lipstick, this is my favorite, LA 18's. Any shade, okay, shade doesn't matter, but look at this. It's not that okay, I got the word pigmented, but if you build it up, it's amazing. And this is my favorite shade, to be very honest. Another lipstick I have is Lakme Absolute, because come on, if you need a liquid lipstick, you will have to spend a lot on it. I don't really remember its pricing, but I'll search for it and put it here. But this is amazing. This is what I've applied on my lips today. It's not really good because I don't know how to apply liquid lipsticks that well, so इसलिए इतनी अच्छे से नहीं लगी. Please ignore that. Yeah. And then comes a brush set, because आपके पास इतना सारा है सामान तो फिर brush तो होने चाहिए. They are very important. I got this from Shein long ago, but I think you can find such kits on Amazon. Yeah, I remember, and they are pretty cheap. So I'll definitely link. Oh yeah, another thing. Links to all these products will be in the description box, so you'll have to check the description box to make sure that you don't miss anything. This is a very pretty brush kit. It has all the brushes I would need, eyeshadow brushes, and lip brushes, blush, highlighter, powder brush, and I don't even know. This is concealer brush, I guess. But I think only, yeah, even eyebrow spoolie and brush and everything. You don't even need more brushes for your basic makeup or for your party makeup. You can get done with it, and this was for around 500 including the delivery, so I guess this was pretty great deal. But I'll link the similar products for sure. Now obviously before you apply lipstick, I'm so sorry, I had to introduce this lip balm first and then the lipstick, but this is my favorite lip balm, like ultimate favorite. This is strawberry lip balm from Himalaya and it's amazing. So you should apply a lip balm before you apply a lipstick. So you can go for any lip balm basically. I shouldn't be doing this. So yeah, this was all it. I think this was pretty quick and pretty short video because I don't have a lot of makeup products, and even you don't need a lot of makeup products, guys. एक तो आप college student हो या फिर आप teenagers हो, and then you're always broke like me. If you are not broke, then wow, congratulations. But if you're broke, then yeah, we are vibing here, okay? So you really need these products because they are pretty affordable. They last you long because I purchased them last year and they are still with me because I don't do makeup regularly. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please share, like, subscribe, press the bell icon and comment down that if you have similar products or if you have suggestions, like for my viewers, if you have other products as suggestions, you can definitely type them down in the comment box. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll meet soon.